Is it the right time to make a move on Microsoft stock? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into Microsoft. We previously shared a report on our website on Thursday, January 11, 2024, and now we're back with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest insights. You won't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Elevate your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from January 8, 2024, our system has identified Microsoft as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 6.12. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 2.65%. This means it has delivered an average return of 0.66% per day since being labeled as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend. This trend suggests that the stock will continue to rise in the near future. Over the next 3 months, there is a potential for a 13.81% change in the stock price. This could result in a return between 9.27% and 20.3%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend indicates a 41.96% change in the stock price. This means there is a potential return between 28.79% and 55.25%. In other words, the stock price could range from $495.35 to $597.16 after a year. Our latest update on Microsoft reveals a positive trend in their stock. On Thursday, January 11, 2024, the Microsoft stock price increased by 0.486%, reaching $384.63 from $382.77. This marks the fourth consecutive day of gains for the stock. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 2.71%, starting from a low of $380.38 and reaching a high of $390.68. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 2.82%, showing positive momentum. Additionally, the volume of shares traded on the last day increased along with the price, indicating a positive technical sign. In total, 27 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $10.54 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the stock was $390.68, while the lowest price was $230.68. Currently, the stock price is 1.55% below the 52-week high, at $384.63. This high also represents the all-time high for the stock. Today, let's talk about analyst ratings for Microsoft stock. On Thursday, December 28, 2023, it was reported that Wedbush gave Microsoft a rating of outperform with a recommended action of hold. Continuing on the same day, it was also reported that Wedbush assigned Microsoft an overweight rating with a recommended action of hold. Moving back a bit, on Tuesday, December 5, 2023, Needham rated Microsoft as hold with a recommended action of hold. Going further back to Tuesday, November 21, 2023, Piper Sandler gave Microsoft an overweight rating with a recommended action of hold. Lastly, on Thursday, November 16, 2023, Wedbush assigned Microsoft an outperform rating with a recommended action of hold. Analysts have given Microsoft stock a general rating of strong buy. They have assigned a strong buy rating to the PE ratio and price to book. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. Today, the chart shows mostly positive signals for Microsoft stock. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a positive forecast for the stock. The relation between the two signals also indicates a general buy signal, with the short-term average above the long-term average. If there are any downward corrections, the stock will find support at $374.88 and $374.11. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, and the stock has since risen by 5.11%. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot is found. In addition, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. The volume is also rising along with the price, which is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some additional signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. The pivot signal suggested a buy 19 days ago. The Bollinger signal indicated a buy 1 day ago. The short-term moving average signal suggested a buy 5 days ago. The long-term moving average signal suggested a buy 5 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages also indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average signal suggested a buy 5 days ago. The long-term moving average signal suggested a buy 52 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages also indicated a buy signal 49 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft has found support from accumulated volume at $370.73. This presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upward reaction when the support level is being tested. When it comes to this stock, it tends to have very controlled movements. With good liquidity, the risk is considered very low. Looking at the stock's performance over the last day, it moved $10.30 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 2.71%. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.85%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's start by exploring some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Microsoft has a relatively normal P/E ratio, which is often observed in companies with established track records and predictable revenue streams. Moving on to the latest news, the upcoming earnings report for Microsoft's fourth quarter of 2023 is scheduled for January 23, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $2.75. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact the stock prices. Today, we'll be analyzing potential day trading levels for Microsoft. As we examine the accumulated volume above, we notice that there's no significant resistance. This suggests that under the right conditions, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. If you decide to enter a position, it's essential to monitor the volume to determine the ideal time to exit. On the downside, Microsoft encounters its first support level at $370.73. If this support level holds, it presents a promising entry point, as we anticipate a rebound in the stock's value. The combined average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is strong buy. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On December 26, 2023, Hogan Kathleen T. sold 120 shares of common stock. On December 15, 2023, Hoya Alice L. sold 264,433 shares of common stock. On December 14, 2023, Warrior Padmashri bought 858 shares of restricted stock units. On December 14, 2023, Warrior Padmashri bought 277 shares of restricted stock units. On December 14, 2023, Thompson John Wendell bought 87,636 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 76.030. Overall, insiders purchased 2,529,537 shares and sold 329,024 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $364.03, representing a decrease of 5.36%. This particular stock exhibits low daily movements, which translates to lower risk for investors. Additionally, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 18 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good investment? Microsoft shows several positive indicators and is currently on an upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we believe it's a wise choice at its current levels, and we anticipate further gains in the next 3 months. Upon analyzing the recent volatility in market movements, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. Based on our analysis, for trading on Friday, January 12th, we expect Microsoft to open up by $0.600 and begin trading at $385.23. Before we begin, we want to emphasize that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It's crucial that you consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing and using the information provided, you understand and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're taking a closer look at the current view of this particular stock. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We're here to support your trading journey and wish you successful trades. Have a fantastic day from all of us here at Stock Invest.